wait for another 2 minutes and then we kick off as such. Let's wait exactly 2 minutes, and there are about 5 of us. Let those 5 people get the benefit. Yeah, and there's one more. 6th person has come in. Dhanraj has come in also. That's good. Totally 6 people. Jagruti, can you, please, mute those people.
Hello.
Yes, who's speaking?
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
hello.
I can. Yeah, is that Mr. Matre?
Yeah, Kirti bhai.
Yeah.
Our president is trying to join. He will just give 1 minute welcome speech.
I think if we can, skip that, because Mr. Sushil has to catch a flight,
Okay,
So
okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Mr. President called me separately. That is why I want to inform you. That's all.
No, I know that, but we'll have to skip it because this gentleman has come from so far, and unfortunately we are not able to reciprocate. So I think it's better to give him some honor.
Okay.
And, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Yes, just 1 minute left, and totally 6 or 7 people. 2 from Vittal, Gandhiraj, Krishnaswamy, MAG, and Sangvi, and then Arvind Joshi. He's welcome, Arvind. Welcome, Arvind. And MAG is there.
Arvind Joshi is there.
Yeah. All right. So let's start. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Jagruti, can you just do some noise cancellation? Please do that. Mute everybody. And of course, only the Sushil Sharma. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining us on the 9th edition of Lean Management. Today, the subject is daily work management and maintenance. We have Mr. Sushil Sharma. He's the head of ACMA Unido, and I have known him personally for at least about 10 years. He has been running these clusters, and he would have, at least, helped maybe at least about 30 companies minimum that I know. So obviously we'll get a lot of his experience. I will only, show you 1 page, or rather 2 pages of the handouts given earlier. As you can see this page, this is one. Can I ask the participants to honor a little bit of silence in this room? It's very irritating that you come into this room and you create such a ruckus. If you feel that you need to create a noise, then I think you should leave the room. Please do not create noise. We are here to be silent and listen to Mr. Sushil Sharma, who has come from so far away to share his 45 minutes with us. So please respect everybody in the room. Well, this is just one page that I had given you earlier, and another page. This is from Kaizen, which also was sent to you earlier. The key message in both these slides is, there's involvement across the organization, right from the chairman to the worker. That is very, very important. So this is a message that I'd like to give to you, that in everything that we do, it's important that we deploy the learnings down the line so that we have more and more involvement of everybody. Having said this, thank you very much for joining us. And I now hand over the mic to Mr. Sushil Sharma to enlighten us of DWM. Thank you. And over to you, Mr. Sushil Sharma. Yes, Sushil. Sushil, can you hear me? Jagruti, is Sushil, what is he, unmuted or what?
No, sir, he is not.
I see. So Sushil, can you join? Can you start? Oh my God.
Kirtibhai, he is out of the network.
I see. He's out of the network. Okay.
Yeah, his name is not there.
I see. Oh, is it?
He will come back. We'll have to wait.
Yes, correct. Right. Yeah. Jagruti, if you have his phone number, just call him
Yes.
up and
Okay, sir. Okay, I'll call.
yeah, please, yeah, tell him to join. Jagruti, you made any contact with him?
Yes, sir. Matre sir is talking to him.
Okay, all right. Okay, fine.
Share it, then you can also share, or if you want to handle the co-host, then you can handle co-host. But we can see your presentation, daily work management, DWN and sustenance. Sushil Sharma head, I can read out. Please relog, please relog. Okay?
So, Mr. Matre, he is not in the network area or something like that. Poor connections.
Yes, sir.
I see. Poor
Yes,
network. Mr. Matre, any feedback from Sushil? Why is he not able to join us?
Just now I spoke with him,
Yeah.
Kirtibhai.
Yeah.
He is also not aware. He says, I cannot see my slide. I told him that we can all see your slide.
Okay.
You can also see, no, I can see his
Yeah,
slide.
no. So what you can just call him back and say slide wise, you'll read out the titles and then he can give an explanation. Na? Tell him that.
But he is not able to come inside this. I asked him to relog it. He is trying now. Let me see. I told him to relog.
Sir, can I start till
Yeah,
Mr.
yes,
Sushil
yes,
Sharma
please. Go ahead, go ahead.
starts?
Yes, yes, please, please, please start. Please start. Dhanraj, please start.
Oh, okay. So whatever slide he might missed, we can cover that time.
Correct. Yeah, continue. Go ahead. Start.
Okay, sir. For the next slide.
Jagruti, next
Yes,
slide.
sir.
Okay. In daily work management, what we see say that whatever we visualize the things, there is a book called Learn to See. So every time we are in shop floor, but what happens? We are in hurry most of the time to meet the customer requirements like customer complaints or delivery obligations. So we forget to see the things effectively. So here it is. What we can you can see, you cannot manage. What you cannot measure, you cannot improve. So in similarly, what happens in SMEs? Most of the time, what we see that the documentation part is missing. So they, whenever we say them, you have to keep this record, you have to keep this records, the answer will come. So, sir, we don't have time. This kind of issues comes. But then the arguments comes for to take the decisions. We need the data, objective data, and the objective data is missing. So we come out with a different direction. So once we get the effective data and measurable things, then our decision will be better. If you don't know where to go, you will be lost. So sometimes what happens, if our vision and mission is not clear, then our decisions will fluctuate time to time. If our direction, vision and mission is clear, then we make our plan to meet, it is in that direction or it is opposite that direction. So we can combine that things. And SDCS, Sustain, Do, Check Act. I think everyone knows that PDCA, it is a great Deming cycle. So whatever we do, plan, do, check. Generally in engineering industry, what we say, by 3 p.m. we have to think about the tomorrow's plan, because whatever will manage today's, we have managed. Now it's time to manage the tomorrow. So then tomorrow morning we have to go for the checking the yesterday's data. So we say in DWM, it is a matter of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. It is all about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And the game goes this way. Next slide.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Ah,
आ
yeah.
गए.
Or I think sir is there.
Yeah, Sushil.
Okay,
So
okay.
now you can start from slide 2 onwards. Come on, yeah, slide 3. Please start slide 3 onwards.
Okay, so I think you are you can share, you are able to see my
Yes, sir.
screen,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it is basically DWM. I'm really sorry, there was some connectivity issues here. Okay, now what are the objectives of DWM? Let's be very clear into the what are the objectives of DWM. It is, one is the organization and the plant objectives have to be met, and how they have to be met, because all of us are there for the plant objectives and the organization objectives. So they have to be met in two ways. One is the DWM activities, and other is the cross-functional meetings and cross-functional teams activities. I'll go to the next slide. What is it? This is not my slide, I think. Someone else is showing this.
DWM corner, right?
No. No, this is not my slide.
Not your slide?
Not my slide. Who is showing this?
This PPT only.
72.
But where did you get this from? Is it sent by
I don't
Dhanraj?
know.
No.
Then
It
where
is
did
sent by you, I think.
by whom? By me?
Yeah, or Gracie ma'am.
Okay,
No,
chaliye,
because
I had, basically I had rearranged these slides. That is why I was sure for those particular. No issues. Let us continue with this. So what the elements of DWMs are: visual workplace where abnormalities are seen. Okay, it is a visual workplace and an environmental where the employees can try their own ideas, and a transparency in the objectives which have to be met for the plant. And we, because all of us know that organizations only run based on the clear-cut data. So managing by measures which are changed regularly, and accountability throughout the organization, which has to be displayed, because we keep on reminding and saying that yes, this accountability has to be taken. And all. Next slide, please. Okay, now actually see, in the share of responsibilities, if you see this particular chart, there are three different, the top management, senior management, middle management, supervisors and operators. What we expect is, what we expect is the top management basically.
તમારી વાત સાચી છે વિનયભાઈ, એટલે તમે આ વાત
oh,
કરીને
અરે ભાઈ
હવે
ભાગવત
અત્યારે
ભાગવત ભાગવત ભાગવત
વેલ જોઈન્ટ ક્રેક નો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે,
અરે
એ
અરે અરે
સિવાયનો
યાર
બીજો કોઈ ઇશ્યુ નથી, અને
જાગૃતિ
મટીરિયલ ને બધું બરાબર જ છે,
Matre, can you
અને
tell this
સારી
guy
રીતે
Bhagwat what
પ્રોબ્લેમ
is he
વગર
doing
ચાલે
yaar? Share. Now continue please Sushil.
Go back please,
Go back to the
some-
earlier one. Yes.
Yes,
that's it.
yes. See now, in this, we have
Prashant
three
bhai.
types of management. One is the daily work management, which is left to the operator, supervisor, and middle management, where we emphasize that these three managements put into the place the daily work management, and
હા
then
હા
the
હા
some of the
હા,
portion
એવી
is a
રીતે લઈ.
continuous improvement management. So the improvement management is also carried out somewhat by the top management and the middle management, where we have a continuous improvement, because until unless we have a continuous improvement, there is no, we cannot have a chance to improve the organization. Whereas the top management like you, Mr. Kirti and others, so it is there is they need to have for a breakthrough management, that what has to be taken forward. What is that? What is the new thing which has to be done, so that we can engage more and more people and we can have more and more business. Next page, please. Okay, now the what is the expectations from this DWM? The expectation is that we have operator level, supervisor level, and the manager level. So the operators need to follow the SOPs, supervisor assure the 100% compliance, and manager needs to do the improvement. In the Kaizen, there is a participation, so motivate to do this. Supervisor has to motivate the people to do the Kaizen, align the Kaizen with the company goals, and the focus is activity based. The ensure the end goal at their concern area and process improvement. And if any abnormality is there, we can do the early detection, and by this way, by DWM, we can have an early detection part of it also and find the root cause. Next, please. Then this is at, again, we have a different levels. So one is at the Gemba level, that is at the shop floor level or the zone level, where the supervisor and operator will be doing it every day in the morning for 5 minutes. Then we have a level 2, which is there, which has got supervisor and department heads, and which goes slightly deeper into the process for 15 to 20 minutes, issues between different departments and the supervisor levels. Then we have a level 3, which is at the HOD's level, which generally is being taken for at least half an hour to 60 minutes, wherever we see that what are our objectives of the company are being met or not particularly. So we align with our company goals, and that is there, because the MD is also driving it through the departmental heads. Next, please. Now, some of the, some poor daily management is there. some warning signals which company daily management is not working. Quality problems. So incidents come from the customer. Quality problems come. So that means the DWM is not working in a proper way. Then the performance. So the quality and output is noticeable and quantitatively differently from shift to shift. There is a variation. So you can very well understand that the DWM is not effectively properly managed. Then different operators. So basically a system is not going followed. So it is the individual who is running the shop or his stations. So there we can see the variations would be coming into the quality and the delivery. Next, please. Next, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then again we have a system. So the same rule applies for the methods and the existing for a long time not to get together. So performance, process performance with the age of the, because we definitely know that the age of the equipment is going to go up and it deteriorates. So the quality is going to get affected. So it affects in the quality and the delivery part. Then the departments and individual departments. So there is a conflict or there is a different opinion between a person covered up with the daily work management. Next, please. See, now we do it in a PDCA approach. Everything what we do is a approach. So first of all, we do a PDCA approach, maintain it for few days, see that yes, it is being sustained or not. So then it becomes sustenance or standardization, and then again plan, and then again do it, and then check it. So again, this is a big and a big thing which where we have to do the plan, do check activities. Let's say engineering, which what we have to correct it, and it is the major improve, sustain, and improve. So PDCA, then SDCA, and then the PDCA. Next, please. See, now why daily management is there. Things do not stay there, they deteriorate, because everything, whatsoever is there, if we stop putting, or if we start putting some dust also at one place, one day you will find that the floor is not visible. If we don't clean the floor, the floor is not visible. So can we have a status quo without improvement? So I don't feel that we can have a status quo without even the improvement. Next, please. Next. Okay, now what is there is we collect what all has to be done. Daily production status has to be collected, daily rejections and rework has to be collected, setup monitoring and breakdown status, attendance, which are critical. The 4 M's, basically the 4 M's, material, management, those all things have to be collected so that we can take action onto these particular points. Next, please. See, now if there is any example of change, if there is a new operator or a supervisor or an officer for a particular job, there is likely to be change is there. New material change is there. So again, we expect that some changes might come into the dimensional tolerances. Method change also, setting of temperature and all those areas. Machine also equipped, overhauled or commissioned, measurement. So these all 5 M's, what we see is that they require a continuous monitoring and a interaction with the people that what has been changed. Next, please. So this is the way, one of the typical ways where we try to show it on the chart, the daily work management, where is the quality going? Because if we know that the drawing is the most, method which can say around more than 1,000 words. What is there? Where is the graph going? So the quality cost has to go down, delivery has to go up, safety has to go down, go up. So it has to be represented in a daily work management. And please go next. Next. So now again, there has to be another days window which has to be created for the customer that what is yesterday, any customer line stoppage, any customer schedule quantity given, quality problems, incident. So 3 days, yesterday what has happened, today what is there, and tomorrow what is going to be our plan. So accordingly, we put this particular thing and brainstorm onto that area. Next, please. These are some of the typical things. You can modify these. These are just some showcase boards which are available, by which different companies try to see and that what are the ways, PDI trolleys, everywhere, wherever they see maintenance, production quality, we maintain. Next, some examples. Next. Next, please. So these are some of the examples where which people put in there. So next. I'll be taking forward to the last, maybe another 2-3 slides, which are more important for you. These are the different examples, DVWM board, basically the visualization into the picture. Next. See, this is one of the typical things, that the calendar itself, what are the important things, like we have some audits in a month, we have something all the same. That is also visualized into this. So monthly team is quality. So on which these are the dates and Wednesdays are written there, so that we can see that which are the important events going on to that particular week or particular day. So this can also be visualized into. Next, please. See, this is what is typical. This is what is typical DWM area. It has to be a standing area, and you just see how colorful and visualization it is there, so that people can look into it.
Daily work management.
You know, this is a visualization board which has been created so that people can look into it and stand here and discuss about their daily issues and daily concerns. Just see how colorful it is. So why just moving up also, they can see what are the quality logos which they have to follow. And it has to be generally DWM, effective DWM has to be a standing posture for 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum, so that, you know, we see the important issues and take it forward.
Daily work management workshop.
Now, the for DWM is an activity for 6 months. The 6 months becomes a practice. For a practice for 1 year becomes a habit, and a habit for 5 years become a culture of the organization. This is why we say for one generation becomes a tradition. I will share with you the modified PPT for this, which has been slightly modified and which has got some of the other formats also, which can be very effective for the industries to use into that particular thing. Production sheets, countermeasures, how those countermeasures have to be taken, and all those. I think this is all from my side today. I'm really sorry I'm in a hurry and I could not give justice to what this particular presentation was, but I tried to do it. Maybe we have some another session for this particular people, so that anybody has any clarifications to this can be definitely, you know, addressed to that.
And Sushil, you want to leave the room, or do you want to address for 5 minutes question and answers?
Yes. I can address for 5 minutes, no issue.
Yeah. So the floor is open now. You see, when I go through Sushil Sharma's earlier slides, can I go into the presentation, please? Jagruti? Go to the earlier part. Yeah, because you see, actually, I've seen roughly maybe even 30 slides. There are roughly 3 to 4 slides which summarize what DWM is all about, you know, because of course it starts with right at the top, involvement of the people, giving them a direction where we want to go to, and then they are asked what to measure mostly on a daily basis. And I think if you ask me, yesterday, today, and tomorrow is what we should be looking at. And for each of this, yesterday, today, and tomorrow, he has mentioned roughly about 4 or 5 attributes, which I can say P, Q, C, D, S, M, 4M,
Yes.
and 5M. If you look at these few slides in the earlier part, they reflect, even a layman can learn about DWM. So now any questions? 5 minutes we have. Any questions? The floor is open now. Bhagwat, any questions from your side? Sangvi, any questions? Mr. Gandhi, anybody with any questions? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How we can make our people, see, I am very much interested about all these things. When it comes to our people, and initially they do, but slowly they start diluting it. They are not practically following it. This is a real problem with our people. How we can motivate, encourage them to adopt 100%, so that we can increase our productivity, profitability. Even we want to give the benefit to the staff and workers. But they are not interested to do. I'm facing real problem.
Sushil, could you answer that question?
Yeah,
How to maintain sustenance on a daily basis? Simply tell us how to do it.
I would say to this particular reply, this is a typical question everybody asks, various industries. See, as we know, the Ganges flows from the top.
Correct.
Okay. So I think you also will have to be a part of this particular DWM for maybe on weekly basis or maybe on fortnightly basis, so that your team understands the importance of this particular DWM and have a monthly review of what is happening into the DWM's activities. This is what I can say for this.
Okay.
I can add one more thing, which everybody will never like me. All of us are, either listening to customer complaints or listening to production not met and supplier not giving supplies. We are so much caught in the fire of doing these things, and we ourselves at the top management, we say, "Arey chalo, DWM meeting ko आधा घंटे के बाद करेंगे, and now let us go and achieve the production. Let us go and meet the supplier. Let us go and meet the customer." But when at the top management we do this, automatically the message is DWM is not important. Other things are important. So it's very important. Once the culture is DWM is the culture, then keep DWM as the most important thing. And I have seen 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So these are the things that are shown on the slide. We at top level have to observe these practices every day between 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Any more questions? Any more questions?
No, Kirti, I
Yes.
fully agree with Frank. When it comes to priority, DWM goes at the back, because the moment the production people are questioning for planning, ask for, okay, give the material, and they concentrate only for the delivery, and they are not, bypassing lot of DWM.
No, but Subban, I'll just say it. DWM is
Mr.
yesterday, today, and
Mr.
tomorrow.
Rathod,
Yes,
Mr.
please.
Rathod, I'm sorry, I will have to take leave onto this. I have to board it. So
Who
my
is that?
name is being
So-
announced now.
Okay, sir,
Sushil.
So
I
Yeah,
will answer
okay.
the questions.
Yes,
No
Dhanraj,
issue.
continue. Okay, Sushil, thank you very, very much for being with us. And we will
Thank
call
you.
you for another session. You can go, we'll call you back. Don't worry. Thank you very much. And yes, Dhanraj, please answer Subban. Please answer.
Yes, sir. Okay.
thank you very much. Okay.
What happens, sir, in DWM, generally in industry trend, in every DWM, generally the one person is assigned to make the report of daily DWM. Whatever they discussed in QCD form, like what was the customer complaint, what was the rejection level, what is the major concern of yesterday. So this report goes at certain fixed in time interval. Suppose I'm in the company and I have to report this DWM things to top management by 1 p.m. or 12, whatever the company decides. So after once we decide this time, so the back pressure comes from the management that where is your report? Once the report is missing, then we come to know that the DWM is missing. So most of the time what happens, we don't make the reports even for DWM. So once the it is inculcated in this ISO system, like DWM level 1 reports, level 2 reports, level 3 reports, these are we continue with the system ISO or IATF system. Then whenever this internal audit comes, they further revive. So this will help, and it is a lifelong process. And after the DWM, one important thing the company has to do is that after suppose 6 days I have done the DWM, so there are certain open points in this. So whatever happens, yesterday we give the target, this activity will complete at 3 days, second activity will complete after 15 days. So every week or 15 days we should have one open point meeting. So whatever we discussed that this action plan was for 3 days or 12 days. So these are the open points of last 2-3 DWMs. So we have to make the separate meetings for the open points. So the whatever, if we will follow this kind of activity, our effectiveness of DWM will improve. I hope I have answered the thing.
Okay, but what we'll do, slowly we'll incorporate, because of the priorities, many times we ignore or forget. We said, okay, this, we eliminate. Once in a while we'll call. Okay, suddenly something comes, okay, sit all these things. But what happens every day morning, there is a lot of urgent product, urgent work. The production people all lined up everything. Everybody's serious. Then we have got to get the material from there, from here, all these things. With which these people not be able to meet at morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That is a real problem. We
Yes,
really
sir,
face
yes.
every day.
Because if we start the thing that if suppose the DWM time is 9:30, so the positively 9:30 meeting should start with whatever people are available. We should not wait for the people who are missing. What happens in the industry, the people who comes after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we wait for them. So this dilutes the people's attention who came on the time. We generally punish the people who came in the time.
Sir, only one small request, sir. This PowerPoint, can you please forward to us, our people?
Pardon?
Whatever we discussed today, PowerPoint presentation. Is it possible?
Yeah,
to get?
presentation is in the mail also.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Some of our staff also are watching the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Good.
That's very encouraging. That's encouraging.
Three more people.
Good. Any other questions?
Sorry,
Sorry, other.
all the people are discussing, seeing. Okay, 3 people, 4 people watching today. 3 are myself only one. I call specifically. This we should make another 1 hour program. This one. Can you make it 1 hour program?
Yes, why not?
See, there is a Mr. Jaya. See, we have 2 programs. The third Wednesday of every month is 90 minutes, which we are in right now. And on the first Wednesday is another program of 45 minutes. So I'm too happy that we can do a little bit more. And really,
this program is good for not only me, people. I can call 10 people so that in my office, so that they can see. Straight away, I got a full straight away displayed in the TV, not in the PC.
All right, Jaya, now we should give some other members a chance. So there's Vittal's office, and there's MAG and Arvind and Changvi and Dhanraj, Bhagwat. So it's not Dhanraj, of course. Dhanraj is the coordinator at this moment for all of us. So does anybody else have some questions or observations to make? And even Ravichandran, the floor is open. We have another 15 minutes, another 20 minutes left to, continue dialoguing on whatever was the presentation made. And we have an expert, Dhanraj. He has able to address all of us, So. Any questions from anybody else?
Kirti bhai,
Yeah, Bhagwat, please.
Bhagwat, yeah, man.
And
Bhagwat
Jagruti,
बोल रहा
can
हूँ.
you just mute us? Jaya, please, just mute him, please. Continue, Bhagwat. Yes, please, Bhagwat.
No, I do not have any question because Dhanraj bhai is regularly coming to
Yes.
us and he is guiding us.
Correct.
Still, we have not taken up these daily works management issues. But initially, we start with the 5S. But overall, I found that ये जो भी principles है या जो भी important aspect है वो very important है अपने लिए. Organizationally, it is very important that if we follow this principle, then it is going to help us a lot in our overall performance of our organization. Thank you from my side, Kirti bhai.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for that. And Ravi Chandran and Vittal, Arvind, Shangvi, any comments, questions from your side? Mr. Matre, anything that is, anything you would like to make? Any questions, observations?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm just asking, do you, any questions from your side? Any observations from your side? Ravi Chandran, anything from your side? Any questions? And Sangvi, MAG? Because if you can raise your hand, then Jagruti can unmute you and then you can speak, you know. Anybody has a question, you can raise your hand and Jagruti can unmute you, you know. So Bhagwat, you can share with us that I think you may be about roughly the 3rd month that you are doing this, if not the 4th month. Can you share with us what was the learning and execution you have done? Because you are a starter, you've started for 4 months. So tell us something that we can take back home, you know, tell us what was the learning and execution, because learned many things. What about execution? Tell us how you have executed your 3 or 4 months of any of the topics taught by Dhanraj.
Myself. Yes,
Yes.
Kirti bhai, last month when Dhanraj visited our organization and then with his guidance and support from our team, we could finalize our gangway, because before his visit we have drawn our walkway, but it was not so planned and so thoughtful design. So by guidance from Dhanraj, we have changed our we have not changed our layout. We kept our layout same, but we have changed the width of the walkway, and we have now taken into confidence the departmental head also that what are your difficulties in observing this gangway, because initially when we design it, just we draw the lines, but now we have planned those lines in consultation with the that area owner, that okay, in your area this is going to be a gangway design, and based on that input from them we have slightly modified our gangways, and accordingly we have planned. So out of 2 companies, in 1 company we have finally drawing of gangway is completed, and today evening we have planned for another company also. So maybe within maybe tomorrow or day after, we are completing this gangway project. So we are thankful to Dhanraj for giving us guidance to redesign our gangway.
I want to thank Bhagwat for one very important sentence he said. He involved the HODs in asking them what are their pain points, and then changes have been made. So I think that is one of the biggest learnings from this, that of course, fortunately, all of us are educated in this classroom and webinar, and God's grace, we are all sitting together, but all the other people may not be having the same level of thinking and action as we have. So once you involve them, obviously things will become easier. That is a very, very good learning, which was of course mentioned in the 4 slides, which Sushil told us about, which is about I can say 4M, 5M, and PQDCSM. All of these things are the burning points, and people are given a voice. Tell us your pain points, and then we can take corrective action. Something else from Bhagwat or from anybody else? What are the learning? What are the execution that you have done, Bhagwat? Something else besides involving your HODs in this?
No, from Dhanraj, I think initially we have started with this. So what we have decided is that we want to go for 5 years, and out of 5 years, we start with 1S.
Correct.
So based on his input, we continue our journey to take it forward this way.
Correct, right. Any observations or questions from any of the other members over here? I go back to Vittal, to MAG, to Arvind and Shangvi and Ravichandran. Anything from your side?
Anyway, I have a suggestion. Like
yes,
like I think we have many members in our ITAMA.
Yeah.
But out of all our members, only today we are 13, 14 participants.
Correct.
So can we think about how we can increase the participation, or what is the reason preventing them to not attending? Maybe we are not able to make it interesting to the members, or maybe we are not reaching out to the members, and we are not making aware them about that this is very useful programs and it will definitely help in improving their working as well as their bottom line also. Somewhere, I think somewhere we are lacking, Kirtibhai. This is my again loud thinking.
Yeah, I would say that I can make one observation. We have to have one session in Gujarati, 100%, and a parallel session can be done in Tamil. That's all that I can say immediately, because we are talking English, which is, all of us are having good suits and boots. So that is, we are becoming we are a suited and booted company, which is okay. But ultimately we have to become a Sarkari company. So it will become a bit difficult, because we cannot run 2 programs, one in Tamil and another in Gujarati. But I think with the only opportunity over here is that we can mute everybody, totally mute everybody. And parallelly, we can have from Jagruti and Mr. Matre, somebody speaking Gujarati and somebody speaking Tamil, so that the program is being conducted in the regional language parallelly, so that at least people get to know whatever we are talking about. I think that is one suggestion that I can make. That's number one.
I think Kirti bhai,
Yeah.
मेरा मानना ऐसा है कि वो शायद अपना लैंग्वेज बैरियर ही उसको कम पार्टिसिपेशन का रीजन नहीं हो सकता है, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। अदर देन लैंग्वेज बैरियर कुछ और कुछ है जो लोगों को कुछ नहीं इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है शायद।
So I think Dhanraj, I will ask him, Dhanraj, why are people not interested? Go for 1 minute, wait, and go back to the experience you have done. So many cluster companies. So I think you can start with in Deluxe. You did 10 vendors. Give a honest view why companies were interested and not interested. Tell us honestly what was your experience at Deluxe.
Generally what happens, whatever training we do now, these days the PPT say, we can say the PPT or information is available freely in
जनरली
entire
हिंदी में
Google.
बोलो तो चलेगा।
नहीं, हाँ, हिंदी गुजराती चलेगा। हाँ, बोलो, हिंदी चलेगा।
ओके। ज्यादातर क्या होता है कि जो इंफॉर्मेशन होता है ना आजकल गूगल या यूट्यूब पे पूरा मिल जाता है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर आप DWM में टाइप करोगे तो हो सकता है इससे भी अच्छा मिल जाए। सो पीपल थिंक, लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि भाई ये इंफॉर्मेशन तो हमको मालूम है, ये क्या सिखाएगा हमको। सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि वो नया सीखने का जो इच्छा होता है ना वो बहुत कम हो जाता है। तो बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो रियली इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं।
I fully agree.
भागवत, मेरा सच कहना है, सब इंडियन पूरी इंडिया में एक ही सोचते हैं, मुझे ये 30 मिनट आने के लिए मेरे जेब में क्या मिलने वाले हैं। हर बार वो ही सोचते हैं, मेरे जेब में कुछ मिलना चाहिए, नहीं तो मैं नहीं अटेंड करूंगा।
तो मैं समझता हूँ कीर्ति भाई, अपना जो एफर्ट्स है वो हम उनको नहीं बता सकते हैं कि आप ये 30 मिनट अटेंड करेंगे तो आपको 3 लाख रुपए का फायदा होगा। ये हम बताने में हम असमर्थ हो जाते हैं, या तो वी आर नॉट एबल टू कन्विंस पीपल कि नहीं आप 30 मिनट अटेंड करो, आपको 3 लाख रुपए का फायदा होगा, मेरा गारंटी है।
सर मैं एक चीज आपको ऐड कर दूं, लाइक अगर मैं एग्जांपल दूं, लास्ट टाइम जब हम भागवत भाई की कंपनी में गए थे तो हमने पूरा एक दिन खाली गैंगवे के लिए स्पेयर किया, जबकि मैंने अभी तक 35 कंपनी में काम किया, कभी मेरे को गैंगवे के लिए 2 घंटे से ज्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ा।
राइट।
बट लास्ट टाइम क्या होता है कि जब चीजें मूव नहीं होती है तो फिर उसके पीछे पड़ के कुछ करना पड़ता है, ऐसा समथिंग डिफरेंट वी हैव टू डू। ऐसे ही जैसे हम बात करें डिलक्स बेरिंग का, तो रोहन इंडस्ट्रीज जो है, जैसे सेटिंग का टाइम 1 घंटा स्पेयर करते थे, वो 10 मिनट में आ गए। तो वन फाइन डे में उनसे पूछा कि भाई आपकी कंपनी जो आपने बनाया उसमें आप 10 मशीन का प्लान बना रहे हो, कल को अगर उसमें 20 मशीन डालना है तो क्या करोगे? तो कि नहीं अभी तो इसमें 20 मशीन आ ही नहीं सकता। तो फिर मैंने बोला कि नहीं आप बोलो कितना आ सकता है। तो वो अशोक भाई जो है वो बोले कि नहीं मैंने पूरा ऑटोकैड में प्लान बनाया और अभी इसमें 15 मशीन तो आ सकता है। फिर मैंने बोला देखो अभी आपके पास फ्री टाइम होगा ना तो मैं आपके पास बैठता हूँ। तो फिर मैं और अशोक भाई दोनों बैठे उधर उनके कंप्यूटर पे और उनको सेट किया, तो आधे घंटे में वो कन्विंस हो गए कि नहीं अभी 20 मशीन आ सकता है विथ गैंगवे एंड एवरीथिंग।
तो भागवत इसके लिए ऐसा भी है कि सब कंपनी उनकी तकलीफ शेयर करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, वो इंडिविजुअली किसके साथ, धनराज के साथ बात करेंगे ना। और आपने जो 3 लाख का अपना फायदा, 3 लाख का फायदा जब भी मिलेगा, जब भी कोई आदमी, वो तो डॉक्टर पास क्यों जाता है, वो डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं बनता है? क्योंकि उसके दर्द जो है वो हैंडल नहीं कर सकता है, इसके लिए डॉक्टर के लिए जाता है। इनकी वजह से अशोक धनराज के साथ बैठ के 15 का 20 मशीन का प्लान बना दिया, बराबर। तो दूसरा तकलीफ जो है कि कोई आदमी उनकी तकलीफ शेयर करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, और वो बोलते हैं पब्लिक में भी नहीं करेगा, प्राइवेट में भी नहीं करेगा। तो जब भी किसी का दर्द हमको नहीं हो जाए और हम मालूम ना होए, तो हम 30 मिनट का 3 लाख रुपया कैसे बना सकता है? हम लोग तो हम तो भगवान नहीं है। और मैं आपका आई कैन नॉट रीड योर माइंड, लेकिन अशोक, हाँ बोलो।
मेरा कहना ये है, ये क्या है मैं समझता हूँ, दिस इज ए परसेप्शन, मैं परसेप्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ।
करेक्ट।
मोदी साहब ने बोला कि हर एक के अकाउंट में 15 लाख रुपया आ सकता है,
हाँ
वो उन्होंने परसेप्शन जनरेट किया। 15 लाख आया नहीं और
हाँ।
आएगा भी नहीं,
करेक्ट, राइट।
बट परसेप्शन के हिसाब से सब लोगों ने सोचा कि नहीं, मोदी साहब आएगा तो मुझे 15 लाख का तो फायदा होगा। तो वो लेवल हम तक ले जा सकते हैं, तो वो काम हमारा शायद एग्जीक्यूटिव या तो बैक एंड ऑफिस में जो लोग काम करते हैं उनके साथ में रह के कुछ प्लान करके कुछ हो सकता है। तो देन वी हैव टू वर्क आउट दैट वे, बिकॉज आज के दिन में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि शायद हम मेल भेज देंगे, रिमाइंडर भेजेंगे, 2 रिमाइंडर 3 रिमाइंडर, 1 घंटे के पहले, 20 मिनट के पहले, 5 मिनट के पहले, कोई नहीं आएगा। व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, ये तो मेरा अगेन, ये मेरा, मैंने आगे बताया ना, ये मेरा लाउड थिंकिंग है। आई एम ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोसेस ओनली, क्योंकि मैंने भी, आपने मुझे मेल भेज दिया, मैंने मेल पढ़ लिया और मैंने अटेंड किया, बट मैंने मेरे 2 दोस्तों को बताया नहीं कि यार ये देख, आज तू डेली वर्क मैनेजमेंट अटेंड करेगा तो तुझे 3 लाख रुपए का फायदा होने वाला है, तू आजा और अटेंड कर ले। तो ये मेरे से ही मैं शुरुआत करता हूँ कि मैंने भी नहीं किसी को बोला कि नहीं यार ये तो अटेंड करना जरूरी है। सपोज हम 12 लोग हैं, हर एक 2-2 लोगों को भी लाएंगे तो भी हम 30-40 लोग हो जाएंगे। मेरा कहने का मतलब एक ही है कि इतना अच्छा चीज है, उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग तक हम पहुंचा सकते हैं। तो दैट इज, और वही आपने भी वही मकसद से, वही मुहिम से आपने ये पूरा प्रोग्राम, और आप भी उसके पीछे कितने एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि भाई आपका एफर्ट तो और किसी के फायदे से भी ज्यादा है। तो
हाँ, और भागवत, इसके लिए मेरा नेक्स्ट सजेशन ऐसा है, आपने जो बताया हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे कि आपके साथ आप 2 या 3 आपके एचओडीज आपको लेना ही चाहिए, जिससे जया ने भी उसका 2 या 3 ऑफिसर स्टाफ को लेके आया है। तो पहले हमारी मेहनत है कि जो भी अटेंड कर रहा है उसके साथ मिनिमम 1 या 2 ऑफिसर स्टाफ लेके आएंगे तो अच्छा है, नंबर 1। और दूसरा, आपने जो कहा है, तो अभी मैं काम पे लग जाता हूं कि डीलक्स में 12 महीने या 24 महीने में हमको ये प्रोग्राम में से एक सब्जेक्ट में हम लोग को क्या फायदा मिला है। क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन, काइजन, 1S, विजुअल मैनेजमेंट, टोटल एम्प्लॉय इन्वॉल्वमेंट, डेली वर्क मैनेजमेंट, ये 6 सब्जेक्ट कवर किया है। और 3 और सब्जेक्ट जो कवर किया है मैं अभी भूल गया हूं, क्योंकि टोटली हम लोग ने 9 एडिशन किया है, 9 वेबिनार्स किया है। तो ये सब का क्या क्या बेनिफिट डीलक्स को मिला है तो मैं आपको शेयर करूंगा। तो पीछे वो अगला सेशन ऐसा है कि रिजल्ट्स अचीव्ड फ्रॉम लीन मैनेजमेंट, है ना, तो हम वो शेयर करेंगे। तो शेयर करेंगे डेफिनेटली।
शायद किसी को लगेगा कि नहीं, ये कीर्ति भाई इतना फायदा ले गए तो उसमें से हम एटलीस्ट 10% फायदा तो ले।
यस, ओके। लेकिन ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं बोल रहा हूं, ये एक्चुअली है चेंज मैनेजमेंट। ये टॉप सब्जेक्ट हर बार रहने वाला है, आज, कल और परसों। क्योंकि जब तक हम लोग चेंज मैनेजमेंट का परसेप्शन और क्यों चेंज मैनेजमेंट, जब भी चेंज मैनेजमेंट में अटेंशन नहीं देंगे तो क्या है, हमारी जो सब्जेक्ट है वो थोड़ी डाइल्यूट हो जाती है। तो चेंज मैनेजमेंट के लिए धनराज आप भी थोड़ा नोट करो कि चेंज मैनेजमेंट आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, क्योंकि अपना जॉइंट सेशन होगा। आप ओपन सेशन कर सकते हो, आप और सुशील, change management as you have seen it with all your cluster members. And second half of the session, benefits by Deluxe for 8 subjects covered, you know. तो वो थोड़ा ऐसा कवर करेंगे। तो that is a beginning from our side, Mr. भागवत। और आपकी सपोर्ट चाहिए कि all members, all participants should bring at least 1 or 2 HOD level people with you so that the message is spread. Today we have about 8 members who are attending. So next time we can have 8 by 2, 8 by 3, you know. So thereby, at least if each company has at least minimum 2, if not 3 decision making, acting level people and HOD level people, if they can be in the room, then automatically it becomes easier to pass on the message, as such. And
Yeah, Matre ji raised the hand.
Yes,
Matre ji,
yes,
आप
yes.
बताओ, Matre.
Mr. Matre, please tell us.
आपका mute है.
Yeah, I just want to say that we have organized many webinars. The webinars which were the subject of marketing, there is a scope of business. Like we have webinars inviting someone from Indonesia, Vietnam. We got 130, 140 participants. Now these webinars are of the subject of technology. We should understand technology. See, when you are giving a marketing or business platform, there will be masses coming on for one subject or making business. But when there is a technology, it is a spurious theory. Spurious theory says that technology is given by one person to many. Marketing is given by many to one person. So it will always be there. The flow will be there. There will be few people who are realizing the importance of technology will be attending. One more thing we can take note of it, that next we have been Technocraft. Kirti Bhai, myself and all, I have long back changed to techno commercial person. So we will try to give a subject, a flavor of techno commercial thing. We may have a 10-minute session of case study giving the benefit of that subject. Someone we will invite, for example, work management is the subject. Someone we will invite who has got a benefit in terms of money or in terms of time saving or in terms of labor saving or whatever. So he will come for last 10 minutes and speak on his benefit. And the person who is the guest speaker, he will give the technological aspect of that subject. Okay, Kirti Bhai.
No, I think you have given a very wide suggestion. What I will do is all the previous 8 speakers, I will ask all of them to come back and I will ask them to quantify and qualify what was the benefit they got for the subject they spoke. So this will be a revision of the previous 8 sessions. Thereby, the next session, Bhagwat Bhai, I thank you very much for telling us the additional direction. I will bring all the speakers. So we will have 2 sessions in October. Yes, we will have 2 sessions, one on the 2nd Wednesday, one on the 3rd Wednesday. I will see, asking the previous 8 speakers to quantify what are the benefits they have achieved in the subject they spoke. So thereby, I will ask them to make the same presentation and parallelly follow it up with these are the benefits we have taken as per the slides shown to us. So it will be a good learning, that combination of theory and reality we will put together. I hope that answers your question, Bhagwat Bhai.
Yeah.
Huh? You want theory and reality. Okay? We will do that. So we have got 8 speakers. So we will ask them to come back again as such. Well, we still have 1 minute because I would like to cut short this session, but it's still open. Vittal, MAG, Sangvi, Ravichandran, anything you would like to share? Something you would like to share? Because I'm glad that at least Bhagwat Bhai spoke from his heart. And this is what is important, He wants something in his pocket. So we will give him something in his pocket. Don't worry about that, Bhagwat Bhai. We will give you something in your pocket.
I wish, Kirti Bhai, I want to give everybody something in their pocket, including myself.
No.
Including myself.
Sorry. No. Bhagwat Bhai.
Bhagwat Bhai, stitch your pocket very well. Otherwise, it will be torn out.
Yes, Bhagwat, you have to be very careful. Unfortunately, the world is full of crooks. So, I'm not saying anybody in the room is a crook.
I beg to differ, sir, Kirti Bhai, but I believe in that way, that if I look for the others' benefit, then I am going to be benefited.
Well,
that is my purpose.
Bhagwat Bhai,
Actually, you are
Bhagwat
also
Bhai,
doing the same thing.
No.
Sir.
9 of us are in the room. 9 of us are in the room and we are wanting to give each other benefit. So that means 9 of us at least have the same thought mind frame. That is good. Now we will show you the rupees and the liters and the hours and the electricity that we have saved. So I would say 1 minute. Anybody would like to say anything, please?
No, thank you, Kirtibhai then.
Okay, so I'm glad that we have a open mind and open hour also. Our next two sessions, I think it will be October and November. We will switch to having the same speakers and asking them or their team members to quantify and qualify what are the benefits they took from the presentation they made. And that will be helpful to us as such, definitely.
Yes, yes.
So I think first Wednesday may not be possible. So let me see. We have to give some time for these people to, go back. But I will do that,
Yeah.
Mr. Matre, I will tell you, maybe the next session could be the second and the third Wednesday. So let's be in touch.
Okay.
I'll get you the speakers, and ideally it would be we do the same coordination right from the first session till the 8th session. The same people should come as such, And Dhanraj, since you are here for DWM, you should start collecting what is the benefit you have observed in one or two companies. Talk to Sushil also, so that at least for DWM, we can fix you as the speaker for benefits achieved as such.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you,
Thank you.
everybody. Thank you very, very
Thank you.
much.
Bye.
And we meet again shortly. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye then. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.